Hello dear students, how are you? Today we will discuss worksheet number 42 class 10 science. Here there is only questions. Questions है इसमें खाली, तो हम start करते हैं objective type question से. The difference in molecular formula of any two consecutive members of a homologous series of organic compound is CH2 यानी A आंसर है इसका. How many covalent bonds are there in a molecule of ethane? Answer is 7 C. The formula of second member of the series of carbon compound whose general formula is CnH2n is फर्स्ट होगा C2H4, सेकंड मेंबर होगा C3H6 यानी कि प्रोपीन. डैश एंड डैश आर टू एलोट्रॉप्स ऑफ कार्बन, ग्रेफाइट एंड डायमंड. द इसेंशियल कंस्टिट्यूएंट्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स आर डैश एंड डैश, हाइड्रोजन एंड कार्बन. Which element exhibits the property of catenation to the maximum and why? That is carbon, because it has tendency to make covalent bond and for valency. Diamonds can be synthesized by subjecting pure carbon to very high pressure and temperature. Answer is C. Butane is a saturated compound of carbon and hydrogen having 4 number of carbon atoms. Write the general formula for alkynes and alkenes. Alkyne का हो गया CnH2n minus 2 and alkenes का CnH2n. Draw the structure of benzene. आप देख सकते हैं structure of benzene here. अब हम short answer type question देख लेते हैं. What are hydrocarbons? Give example. The compounds made up of hydrogen and carbon are called hydrocarbon. Example CH4, C2H6, etc. Question number 2. How does carbon attain noble gas configuration? Carbon attains noble gas configuration by sharing electrons and making covalent bonds with other carbon atoms and other elements. Question number 3. Why are covalent compounds generally poor conductor of electricity? Covalent compounds are generally poor conductor of electricity because they do not produce ions. वो ions नहीं देते हैं. Why homologous series of carbon compounds are called so? Write chemical formula of two consecutive member of homologous series and state the part of these compounds that determine their physical properties and chemical properties. Homologous series of carbon compounds are called so because all members of homologous series have similar chemical properties, same functional group and general chemical formula. Example C2H5OH, C3H7OH यानी कि ethanol and propanol. Physical properties are determined by carbon chain and chemical properties are determined by functional group. Question number 5. Write 3 characteristics of the compound of a homologous series. The general formula of all compounds are in the series is the same. They have the same functional group. Their physical properties such as melting point, boiling point, density shows gradation as molecular mass increases. Question number 6 है why carbon is a unique in nature. Ability to make covalent bonds, for valency and property of catenation make carbon a unique element. C3H6, C4H8, C5H10 belongs to same homologous series. Arrange the hydrocarbons in order of increasing boiling point. So boiling point में C3H6, C4H8 and C5H10 ये increasing बॉइलिंग पॉइंट्स के रूप में हमने अरेंज कर दिए. वाई मेल्टिंग पॉइंट्स एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ C5H10 आर हायर देन C4H8. Melting point and boiling point of C5H10 are higher than C4H8 because molecular mass of C5H10 is higher than C4H8. As molecular mass increases in homologous series, boiling point and melting point increases. Write the names of the given compounds. तो given compounds हैं propene, butene and pentene. Explain the two properties of carbon which lead to the large number of carbon compounds we see around us. Property of making covalent bonds with other carbon compounds and atoms of other elements. It has four valencies which helps in making chain with other carbon atoms. Long answer type questions. Define covalent bond. Carbon forms covalent bond with some elements. Name these elements. Covalent bond means sharing of electrons between atoms. Carbon form covalent bonds with hydrogen, oxygen, etc. What is fullerene? How is it different from other two allotropes of carbon? Fullerene is an allotrope of carbon. Graphite has hexagonal arrays placed in layers one above the other. Each carbon atom is bonded to three other atoms. Diamond is a three-dimensional hard structure. Each carbon atom is bonded to four other carbon atoms. In fullerene, carbon atoms are arranged in the shape of football. Tau electron dot structure for H2S. You can see here F2, H2O, CH4, CO2. Here you can see.